Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at Golden Mirage EA, an automated trading system available for both MT4 and MT5. As we can see here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, this EA was developed by XAUUSD and is currently listed with version 2.7, updated on March 1st, 2026. Looking at the pricing information, the EA is available for purchase at $299 with rental options available for 1 month and 3 months as well. 1 month going for $249, 3 months going for $279. The developer also mentions that this is a promotional price and that the cost may increase after a certain number of purchases. Moving through the product description, Golden Mirage is specifically designed for trading XAUUSD, which is gold, on the M5 time frame. According to the developer, the system combines RSI, moving average, ADX, and high-low level indicators to generate trading signals and execute trades automatically. One thing that stands out is the emphasis on a pre-optimized setup. The developer states that the default parameters are already configured for both backtesting and live trading, which can be useful for traders who prefer a simpler setup process while still having the flexibility to customize settings if needed. So as we go through the features section, the EA includes multiple layers of signal filtering, ADX market strength assessment, and high-low level detection is designed to help identify potential trade opportunities while filtering out weaker market conditions. Risk management is another major focus here. The EA includes auto lot functionality, adjustable risk settings, spread filtering, and unique magic numbers for trade organization. There are also dedicated prop firm settings, including maximum drawdown controls and daily drawdown limits, which may be useful for traders operating funded accounts. Looking further into the settings overview, we can see additional controls related to trading schedules, order management, buy and sell permissions, grid management options, take profit configuration, and end of candle closing functionality. The interface itself is also customizable and includes an integrated control panel directly on the chart. Now let's move into the historical testing section. According to the developer's recommendations, Golden Mirage is intended for XAUUSD on the M5 time frame. For testing, MT5 users are advised to use either 1-minute OHLC data or every tick modeling, while MT4 users are instructed to use a spread value of 20 in the strategy tester. The developer also notes that testing can be performed from 2003 onward, which provides the opportunity to evaluate the EA across a very long period of historical market data. Let us start by looking at the completed, strategy tester report here, provided on the MQL5 Marketplace page. We can see that the period was from January 1st, 2003 to 28 September 2025, and the total net profit was over 78 million, total trade 7,177. Out of that figure, 5,952 were profitable trades, giving us an 82.93% profitability. The initial deposit was 10,000. All right, and this was gold on M5. Okay, so let's also look at this. This is 2003 to today. Auto load through, and this is giving us a profit of over 1 billion. This is the every tick model. All right. Now let's head over to our strategy tester. Before that, let's also say this. Okay, it seems like the EA was also tested or used on FTMO prop firm, according to this image that is being displayed here. All right, but let's head over to our strategy tester right now to see how the EA performed in 2026 over the past 5 months. So we are testing the Golden Mirage EA on XAUUSD M5 time frame as recommended from January 1st, 2026 till date. And we are using the every tick modeling. Looking at the results from an initial deposit of 100,000, we can see that the total net profit was 12,399.36. Total trades taken were 353, and 267 we are profitable, giving us a 75.64% win rate. Maximum consecutive wins we are 30. All right, and then the average profits we are 1,101.93, while the average loss was 3,276.92. What that means is that the average risk to reward ratio is bad, but the win rate is quite good. So it's not surprising to see a total net profit of over 12% over the space of 5 months. So as we review the completed backtest results and chart activity, we can observe how the EA responds to price movement on gold using its combination of indicator-based filters. Now, since the system relies on RSI, moving averages, ADX, and high-low level analysis, entries appear to be driven by a combination of trend direction, momentum strength, and price positioning rather than a single indicator alone. Looking at the overall historical testing performance, it is important to remember that these results represent past market conditions only. Actual performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and how the EA is optimized by the user. I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions before considering any live deployment. So overall, the Golden Mirage EA presents itself as a gold-focused automated trading solution for both MT4 and MT5, with a strong emphasis on pre-optimized settings, multiple signal filters, prop firm compatibility, and configurable risk management tools. As always, review the available information carefully, perform your own testing, and make sure the EA aligns with your trading objectives and risk tolerance before making any decisions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.